Daikin Home Central Air Conditioning System has revolutionized the industry with its latest innovation of a third piping system. Daikin used a double coil and double valve technology in the home central air conditioning system for the very first time. By using a double coil and double electronic valve, it enables to control both temperature and moisture levels individually. Daikin is able to specially design each unit with different functions using the innovative logarithm control to cater to every area of the home. The bedroom uses the Moisture Control Intelligent 3D airflow ceiling mounted duct. With the double coil integration, the unit is able to adjust the room's moisture level to create a cool and comfortable temperature. High durability moisture control kitchen ceiling mounted cassette was designed exclusively with anti-grease surface and high durability material. Supported by intelligent mold-proof mode, the kitchen cassette always delivers clean and cooling air, which allows you to enjoy each cooking experience in a clean and comfortable environment. Ventilating moisture-controlled bathroom ceiling-mounted cassette was exclusively designed with cooling, ventilation and dry modes. Keeps your bathroom dry and fresh, keeping fungus growth and stale air at bay all year round. Comfort mode gives you comfortable cooling air while you make up and dress. Auto moisture control mode protects your luxurious collection from molding. Daikin's iconic technology, 4 louvers 3D airflow control technology. There are 4 horizontal louvers and 14 vertical louvers that effectively distributes out sufficient and even airflow to large areas of the house. Every successful innovation was enhanced by the latest technology in order to elevate the lifestyle of millions around the world. Daikin will continuously innovate and break through new technologies. Daikin.